Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today we are cleaning a PVC downspout drain. Can you see that? That's solid Schedule 40 PVC. And the man told me that he has no idea where that pipe goes, only that it's backing up. So what we need to do is send our cable from our drain cleaning machine down through the pipe and try to listen for it as it goes through the ground. Hopefully this can get beyond the concrete, because if you have to cut up concrete, it gets very expensive. But take a look. Let me show you what we found in this solid Schedule 40 PVC drain. I've got the GoPro mounted on my forehead, like I said, and so the video might bounce around a little bit. But watch what happens here as we run this cable down through here. I'm asking Derek to go out and listen for that cable. He's right there, should be right around there somewhere. So he's going to listen for that cable and see if he can hear it clicking under the concrete. You can see what's happening now. That cable's beginning to bind up. In other words, it's found a stoppage and it's going through that stoppage, but it's binding up pretty bad.
Don't know yet, but we're out about.
So Derek couldn't hear it. I'm going to let him run the cable while I go out here and listen for the little click, click, click of that cable as it goes through the pipe. So the homeowner's out here with me, and he's also going to listen, but I can hear that cable right here, right around where I'm walking. I'm not exactly sure where it is yet, but I'll find it here in just a second.
Let me just look for a second.
Yeah, it's right there. First, I'll go ahead and push the cable a little bit more. You can see we're adding water to this downspout drain as we run the cable, and it's backing up again. Very important that we can get past this stoppage to make sure that this is going to be open. If we can't find it, hopefully we can get the line open and allow some relief until we can determine what we need to do here, which is probably replace this entire line. Can you hear how the machine is changing pitches? That's because the cable's binding up, and you can see I'm pushing on that cable, but it's not going anywhere. There's definitely a problem in this solid PVC drain that's not allowing that cable to go through. You can see that water's still backing up. So let's go ahead and pull this cable all the way out, stretch it across the driveway, and find out if we're actually all the way across and if I'm right about where I thought I heard it. There are a lot of comments, and in those comments there's questions. And the biggest question that we get is, what type of pipe should we run under the driveway? And of course my answer is run PVC. You can run SDR 35 or you can run Schedule 40 PVC, and that's because we don't want it to crush. But people don't think about, what about tree roots? The most common stoppage in solid Schedule 40 PVC is tree roots, believe it or not. The second most common stoppage is asphalt shingle from the roof. What happens with that is the shingle material drops down and it hits a coupling and it begins to build up right there. And then it just gets worse and worse and worse. Eventually you have to run the cable through there with water to flush it out. So you can see all the tree roots that are in this pipe. And I think what's happened here is they've wrapped around that pipe and they've crushed it, they've cracked it. And now the cable can't get through because the pipe is offset. So we're going to have to leave an estimate here to replace this line from right here. Luckily it came all the way through and under the concrete, but from here out to the street. You know, I've been cleaning drains and installing rainwater drainage systems for over 35 years. And yes, PVC does get tree roots into the pipe, as you can see. This is so common. I mean, we do this every day, and probably once a week when we find Schedule 40 PVC, we pull roots out of the pipe. So rather than give up on this, we're going to try it one more time. I mean, we're right here, we've got the machine out. Let's run this line again and make sure that we are right in what we were telling this homeowner.
Be ready to unplug it. Be ready.
Unfortunately, you can hear that cable binding up again. You hear the whine of the machine. That means that there's a stoppage there. There's something very wrong. I think this is where the pipe is actually broken and collapsed. The cable just can't get past that point. And even though it looks like I'm getting through there, you can see the cable going and pulling more cable out. It looks like I'm getting through there. But actually what I think I've done is left the pipe, and now I'm going into the ground itself. And we'll see evidence of that as I pull the cable back.
And again, you can see it. It's just super shiny and mud.
So because this homeowner has his house for sale, that's why he was trying to clean the line, so that he could have a pass inspection. So we got to this point right here. You can see we found the pipe, and it's definitely broken at that point. We need to go ahead and put him on the schedule to replace that line, or he could just use an A elbow at the bottom of his downspout and splash it out. That would pass inspection. So we were able to open the line and give him some relief, and now he can decide whether he wants to replace it or just go ahead and splash it out for the inspection. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.